Hello and welcome to an OraCloud Plus Training as a Service video snippet. Learn to use and configure Oracle's Fusion Cloud applications in minutes, not hours. Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial walking through the Manage Receipts page. This is a pretty good page and it's a little bit more than what you'd think of in terms of can I see all the receipts that have been created. So with that, you can see that we're logged into the Demo Central environments or seeded environments as Calvin Roth. He's a procurement manager. We're looking at the Procurement Cloud offering, which has icons which links to all the apps or really functional work areas within Procurement Cloud, at least most of them, all but probably about two. And from there, we want to select the My Receipts functional work area. And you can see that we have here not receipts. What we really have is open schedules to be received, but we don't want to look there. What we want to do is go open our task panel and we'll have one option, Manage Receipts. This shows receipts that have been created. What you want to do here is probably change this, especially if you're looking at test data, to anytime, because we'll want to see receipts that have been created anytime in this example. And we need to set one of these values, so we'll set the requisitioning business unit here to US1 and click search. That's going to bring back our receipts that have been created. And so as you would expect, you have for the different business unit, different receipts, and it tells you the items that have been received and the supplier. So you'd also expect it tells you what's been received and, if appropriate, currency for services. Has a date, and then I want to draw your attention to these three fields. If you've made a purchase, or received, a purchase, it tells you the PO. If you've received a transfer order, then it tells you the transfer order. So that's important because if you're filling from inventory, you won't get a PO, you'll get a transfer. And so you would potentially see those here. And then what's also nice is it lets you know if there are ASNs or ASBNs with accompanying your shipment. So from here, the last thing that I will mention is if you've got a particular receipt, you can create a return or you can correct the quantity here. And so that's how you navigate the Manage Receipts page in Fusion. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.